Hello and welcome back. I'm being blinded by the sun and this is literally a big cuttings because we're in the middle of sort of chopping that back hedge by a lot and shredding it all up for wood chip. So I've got a big clump of bush there, but we'll have to work past that. But today I've got beer on the plot. Don't worry, it's not for me, it's for the slugs. Oh, I sound nice there, didn't I? So I've heard that beer deters slugs. No, not deters, attracts the slugs, which then go into the pots. So I've got some pots, and then I'm going to put the beer in the pot, and then apparently the slug should come. That's what I've heard. That's not what I know. So without ado, let's get on with it. So, the greenhouse stinks a bit, and I hope you can still hear me. Oh, should we use that one first? I think I'm going to have to use that one first. Right. So, you might have seen this trick. All the boxes are wet and the greenhouse stinks a bit. Very nicely, my nan has got me all this. All the beer, yes. My nan has brought her 12-year-old grandson some beer. Oh, I can't get the pots out. Right. So, basically, this is a pot. Let me get the beer. Let me get the open one. That's half empty. That's almost. Where's the hole? Oh, it's coming out there. You fill your pot up with a beer about, I've been told, halfway to about 3/4 of the way. Ugh, there's beer everywhere. Absolutely stinks. Beer. Oh, it stinks. And this is just to keep it covered. But I'm putting this one in the greenhouse for the slugs. And the idea is that the slugs get attracted by the beer from the smell. They come up the little pot and they get trapped in it. I think I've filled that up a little bit too high. I'm going to put that there. I'll check back with you in a couple of days, but first I've got to set the other traps. And it stinks a bit. Oh. Right, I'm going to show you where the other traps are going. Let's get on with it. So the main point of this video is to see the results. So I've put one, where have I put them? I've put one there. I've put one in the bed there. I've put one with the courgettes there. And I've put one in between the carrots, just there. So I've got 4 on the first plot, and then I've put one in the greenhouse, and we're going to see how if it works amazing, I'll put a couple more out. But then pots are reusable, and 1 can of beer done them 4, which, you know, them, how many cans I've got? 6 cans, I think, more. So I'll be keeping beer in the shed for a while. So I'll be, see how that goes. I'll see you in a couple of days for test results, because that's the point of the video. I will see you then. Hello. I think the signs of winter are very quickly coming, because I've got a jumper on here. The weather's turned. We've just finished that 30-degree heat wave, and we've got thunderstorms tonight. But I'm back with the test results. I'd done them Thursday night. It's now Tuesday night. I was going to do it last night, which was Monday night, but it rained last night, so I thought, all right, I might get a few extra slugs. So let's have a little look at all of my little slug traps. Now here I've got my first trap, and it's a bit of an awkward position, but I don't think this went good as well. Let me go tip it out. Right, this one has 0 slugs in it, which is not a big surprise because there's not many round here. I did see that in the first couple of days, and I'm like, I think I'm going to move it, but I'm not, because, you know, a fair test. But I'm going to get you in closer here in a minute, because it looks like there's some slug trails. Let's have a little look. Just sort of that white slimy stuff, that looks like some slug trails to me. But I really don't know. But yeah, that's sort of a bit disappointing with that one. The next one is down here. Oh, that's disgusting. Right, there's a few sucker snails in here. Oh, this is disgusting. I'm going to pour them out and I'll just tell you because I don't think you're going to want to see this. I don't know if it kills them though. Right, I'm going to pour them into a bucket. Wait, let me get a bucket. Alright, I've got a bucket. So at least probably about 10 small slugs and one big snail. Oh, I don't know if it kills them though. Or does it just make them a bit drunk? That looks a bit jank. I'm not going to show you. Right, you can probably notice I've got that cover back there. I put that up in probably about 15 minutes. It's not my sturdiest thing, but it was just so hot when we was doing that hedge back there. Yeah, I've done the hedge as well, not me. You know, a couple of us, a couple of other plot neighbours and of course the owners. We've all done the hedge. But there, this one down here. Oh, not as disgusting as that one, but no, it probably is. Let me get my bucket. Got my bucket. Let me just... I'll show you me pouring it in this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in that one. Ugh. Oh. Well, that one's worked. That's disgusting. I don't like it. Right, let's get on with this one. The last one. Oh, I put this in the brassica bed. And I put it in there. I thought I should probably move it closer. But I've already done the video, so let's just go with it. Oh, there's not as many as I thought would be in here. 1, 3, 4. Okay, not as many. No. Right, I'm going to put it in closer next time though. Yeah. Does it work? Yes. If you are that desperate, if you are having that many slugs in your plot, go for it. Buy some beer. But don't buy expensive stuff. Don't buy expensive stuff. We got the cheap as chips, you know, and I've heard that dish soap works as well. Just a little bit in the bottom, mix in a bit of water, that works as well. But I don't think it's not going to work as well as what I've been told, because it's the yeast in the beer which attracts the slugs. Is there yeast in that? I don't know. I'm just going to see if it works. So I'm going to refill these ones. I'm going to check back with you in the next week and I'll tell you more on what happens. But yeah, don't buy expensive stuff. Get the cheapest chip stuff. Get it when it's on sale. Do that. See you next week. Bye bye.